I read all the letters on your behalf, all the letters praising your medical skills. I read them carefully.
Judge Sheila DiTullio received nearly 100 letters in support of Dr. James Corasanti. Richard Furlong was one of the authors. His wife was one of Corasanti's many patients. Furlong wrote Corasanti is, quote, a kind and compassionate human being, explaining Corasanti sat with his wife and would hold her hand and comfort her with hope. The man is a healer in the truest sense of the word, he said. Even doctors, attorney Joel Daniels said, wrote on Corasanti's behalf.
Dr. Corasanti is the most gifted gastroenterologist I have ever encountered. Another physician. He is, in my opinion, the best gastroenterologist in Western New York.
Kevin Lester wrote to the court. His three sons, quote, thank Dr. Corasanti in their nightly prayers for giving their mother the gift of life for 3 more years. It was all an effort to spare the doctor from jail time after he was convicted of driving while intoxicated. But Judge DiTullio didn't waver when sentencing Corasanti to a year in prison.
However, the fact that you are an accomplished doctor does not absolve you from responsibility for your criminal actions.
Now, Richard Furlong wrote, Jim's real struggle is to be able to practice self-forgiveness. Ed Ranch, News 4 at 6.